Well, after lying idle for 4 years, the historic Treetops Hotel in Nyeri has reopened in an event attended by Deputy President Gachagua and the British High Commissioner to Kenya, Neil Wigan. The hotel holds a significant history with the United Kingdom, being the place where the late Queen Elizabeth rose to the throne following the death of her father, King George VI. Here's Clement Masombo with this report.
The iconic Treetops Hotel has reopened after its closure 4 years ago when it was shut down due to the effects of COVID-19 in the country. The hotel, founded in 1932, is located at the heart of Aberdare Forest and holds a significant history with the United Kingdom. It is the hotel where the late Queen Elizabeth stayed during her visit to Kenya, and her stay coincided with the death of her father, King George VI. She went to bed as a princess and woke up as the Queen in 1952 and stayed on the throne for 70 years until her death in 2022. Speaking at the reopening ceremony, Deputy President Gachagua appealed to local and foreign investors to infuse their money into tourism sector as stakeholders project an increase in the number of international visitors to 3 million this year.
Many jobs were lost when this facility was shut down, when Outspan was shut down, when Green Hills was shut down. And I started talking to many people, Governor talked to many people, interesting them to think of how they can have these facilities reopened so that we can spur tourism, we can create employment, and we can spice our economy around this region.
Just this week, we received statistics on arrival numbers into this country. For the first time since 2019, we have reached and actually superseded the 2 million mark that this country achieved. Let's clap for ourselves.
The DP also underscored the significance of the hotel in the conservation of the region's diverse ecosystem.
KWS, you have done a good job, and I feel proud that the Aberdare ecosystem is now well anchored around treetops. Let us develop even more tented camps.
For a long time, a place like Treetops, while it's popular world over, you'll find that the people who are able to visit here were mostly foreigners. And this is the case across most of our lodges. Kenya is a very, very beautiful place with a lot to offer.
The reopening ceremony was graced by the British High Commissioner in Kenya, Neil Wigan.
As the place where others have said that Her Majesty the late Queen Elizabeth arrived as a princess and left as a queen. And this is a story that's known deeply in Kenya and deeply in the UK as well.
We really want to appreciate, Daktari, that you took the bold step. The history of this hotel has been spoken about. From where it was and what it has grown into, and its significance in the world and also in Britain. We can never forget that.
Of course, Treetops is best known for the heritage of the princess who climbed a tree and came down as a queen. And that fact on its own has endeared us to an enduring historical relationship with the UK.
The hotel reopened under new management after Dr. Keith Ikenu, the elder son of Deputy President Gachagua, acquired it. Clement Masombo, KTN News, Nyeri County.
In sports, Kenya's